So 35, day 35 plus 33 days in a year. So that's 68. 68. That means in 2 days they will attack. So what I want to do is I want to build a base somewhere else, because those guys keep breaking this fence now. Because they break this fence, they destroyed my wood making table. So I don't want them to destroy anything else. I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna set up a defense arena. Great. Let's go. Let's get a whole bunch of stuff. Let's fully load this cart and I'm gonna start construct my base. What the heck? Oh, this one's about to go off. Good. Take it all. Two, three, four. Put it all in there. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna see where I'm gonna make this thing. Maybe I'll do it somewhere here. But that's the hill. I want somewhere kind of flat. Maybe here. That's my. Nah, that's my. Maybe here. Maybe here. This is good. I want to set up a trap, like a maze trap. I want to do like you know, I want to do something like this. One, I'll stay in the middle. Straight, okay. Maybe like 2. It's only one way in. Because zombies, they're pretty stupid. They will just walk straight to you. If something they can attack along the way, they will attack it. If they can't attack it, they will go around it. So I'm actually gonna make the entrance on the other side. Actually, let's see if it's straight. Oh, that's straight. Let's put it here, and then I'll leave a gap here. I'm going to make a little pathway like that. So entrance here, make this come all the way out. Out here, and then make this maybe like that. And then all the way out. What? Oh, I'm on the way. Okay. Alright. I'll get out of the way. Since you say I'm on the way, I'm get out of the way. Let's do it here. But those things actually freaking jumps. The freaking zombies would jump. I have to make several layers because I don't want them to freaking one jump and then come across to me. So I'm gonna do it here, and then maybe make a little curve, like a little pathway. Yeah, good. And then come over here. here, and then all the way around. Yep, and then come around here. Right, and come back a bit, maybe like that. I should be able to pass without any trouble. Yeah, okay. Since they don't actually follow this track, I can actually make it a little bit bigger. And then here, and then around, and then maybe here, and then around here. So 2 layers. Maybe I'll make 3. I should make 3 layers, right? And 2 should be good now. I think 2 layers is enough. I'll drop one down somewhere here. Well, they want to come through that way because on second year they always come through this way. So which means I'm going to give them some more defense. Okay, so what I can do is I can come through, and that's a little bit too close. Move this out a bit. Put this here. And then put one here. Okay. But I do want something that I might be able to jump right in. So I'm gonna build something here. What? How does this work? Oh, I can do this. Look. Build one here. And maybe I'll build one somewhere here so I can go straight in there. Actually, I don't have to. If I'm here, I stand there, I can jump in the middle. But if I'm here, if I'm inside, I just walk past this and get out. Okay. Actually, let's not do this. It's too complicated. I can go up there. That's not good. Let's get rid of this. Let's make it simple. Alright, let's take this out. Let's take this out. I'm gonna make it a path for myself by putting this stuff back a little bit. See? I'll do a little bit gap here. I don't think the zombies will know. They're just dumb. So I'm here. I need a little bit of gap on the maybe this side. Okay, and then maybe I'll put a little bit trap here as well, just to cover this up. Okay. So now I'm going to put the stuff in. Let's start from here. Let's start from this. Not enough. I'm gonna carry everything with me. 4. These gaps be too small, I think, but it should be alright. Let's do this. So I can come through like that. Go through like that. Okay. I think the steel one is a lot stronger than the iron X. I chop the trees and then when it's about to fall down, it takes 2 chops to break it down to logs. But I think the iron one takes about 3. You knock 3 times for it to actually break into logs. So the steel one's definitely stronger. It's got more damage. I need water. Oh, I don't have any water prepared for myself. Alright, soup. Let's get soups. Do one more. 1, 2. Oh man. Some takes 3, some takes 2. Maybe. I can turn. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Let's drink this too. It's just. Oh, I hope I didn't get sick because it's red. Alright, I'm lucky. Lucky. Alright, drop this down. Drop this here and then come in here. I can't go in from here, can I? Where can I go in? I can go in from here. And then I can come through between these two, can I? 1. Oh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take this. Take some more. Actually. Drop this down. And complete this one. Yes. Alright. Alright, so I can maneuver in here. It gets a bit tight in here, but I think it'll be alright. And I'm gonna finish this one. And I'm gonna this one. It could be sharp, this one actually. Oh, look at that. So I'm gonna move it back a bit. I'm gonna move this here. So I have a little way out there. So I'll do like this. Right. So there's really no way. Oh, this is too sharp. I'll have to come through here, and then like that, and then like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's finish the one inside. Let's finish this. Okay. Day 35. Tomorrow is the day. Oh, I don't know. I got 2 more days. Maybe I'll make a grenade as well. Maybe the zombie is getting too much. I'll make a little grenade later. I'll see what I need to make it. Alright. 4, 5, let's go. Alright. finish the outside one. Right, let's get this one. And then let's get this one. And then this one. And then this one. Okay. Then we'll make our way out. Let's complete the ones on top. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew. We need quite a bit. Need 27 logs. I need rest, and I need shower. Carbs. Fireworks. We can... Oh, hang on. Oh, spring is gone. Oh, I mean winter is gone. I was like, where's snow? I can't see any snow. So it's back to spring now. Alright, great. I'll see how my little chickens and piggies doing later. Make sure they're fed, they got water. Okay, come back here. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah, I wonder if we can tame the bird. Maybe the bird can help me fetch stones. Fetch some rocks. So we're gonna finish this one. And then this one. Alright, you got... Oh, freaking... You need to... Alright, oh, freaking... You need to come with me. Stay here. Let's complete this. Complete this. And then we complete this one. Complete this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 more. Means 9. We need 9 more logs. This is blocking my sight. I have to chop it. What is blocking my sight? One, two, three. I should get some freaking spring coating in a minute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why I need so many little branches for? Go away. Did I pick up all the logs? Okay. These are small trees. That's why I don't give them much log. Or they do give the same amount. That should be enough to complete my little structure here. Oh, is that a big gap here, huh? Let me have a look. This takes them all the way in. Look at this. I have to block this. Let's build one here. Just so they don't come in here so easily. Alright, let's finish this. Boom, boom, done. Let's take this back. Let's stock the logs in here for future use. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay. Let's set to automatic. Full automatic. Oh, I got stuck. Okay. Why don't we sit down for a little bit? Let's dance for a little bit. Get no facial expression. You don't even blink. Yeah, zombie, come on, zombie. I like zombies. I like to kill zombies. Stop now. Let's do something else. What is that? Oh, that's praying. Zombie. Let's sit down for a little bit. How my clothing's going? Okay, all good. Carbohydrate, protein. Okay, I can eat these. Let's do it. What? The current state is not available. Okay, I need to stand up, I think. Alright, how about I shoot the cars? Okay. Thirst, I'm still thirsty. 5 carbs, 15 thirst. Right, clean water. Drink. Oh, if I sit down, does it recover? You know, let me see. 94. If I lie down, 94. Alright, let's lie down. It doesn't recover anything. Oh, it does. Oh, it recovers my physical strength. It doesn't recover health. Oh, slowly, very slowly. All right. All right, they're coming. Get up. They're coming. Why I can't get my weapon now? Whoa! Hello? Is that a bug? I can't get my weapon now. Whoa! Oi! I can't get my weapon now. It's bugged. It's so bugged. I was so prepared for this. They're still not dead. Where's my... Why don't I get a gun now? If this is not bugged, I'll be totally fine. Like, stupid. Wow, this is it's a destroyer thing. I think I could start to get some winter clothing now. Or they freaking they're really destroying my freaking clothing. My pants, right? Alright, let's. I don't have to wear anything. I'm pretty good. Windproof coat. That's awesome. Let's get some meds. I think it's 30 health. Yeah. 9 glasses. How many do I need? 15 or something. 30 or 15, I think. Yeah, oh, you need 10 glasses. That's okay. Not far from that. Actually, let's just take these. I'm gonna start using this. Drop this back. Oh, that's pistol. Put this back. Use this and a pistol. I can use one hand, right? Pickaxe, yes, I need to take pickaxe. Okay. Clean water, dirty water. Okay. Biscuits are going off soon. I'll have to use them. One, 2, 3, 4. Should be watching this. My cooking skill must be top now. Okay. Put this here. I don't need shotgun, so I'm gonna take it out. I need some of these. 3. I'm still cold. Let me get the winter coat. Let's go. Limestone. I said I was gonna search these area. I don't know what these areas are. And I have to search military. Let's go military first. I do need some equipment and stuff.